Hi, welcome to our virtual open house. I'm Miss Ellen, one of the High School Life Skills 811 teachers. This year, High School Life Skills is going to look a little different. Normally, students change classes throughout the day and see several different teachers. This year, Miss Denton and I will be working together as a pod. We'll be pushing into each other's classes for reading and math, and working together for project-based learning activities. All of these classes will incorporate life skills as well as social studies and science content areas. Students will continue to have art class and PE classes, and also work experience 2 half days during the 6-day cycle. Now I would like to introduce Miss Denton.
Hi, my name is Laura Denton-Lawrence. I am also very excited for this year in the Life Skills High School program and working with Miss Ellen. So we are hoping that we can continue being in person for the year, but in the event that we're not able to continue that, we will be prepared to move to a remote model for all students, and we'll be using the Microsoft Teams platform, which some are very familiar with already. Either way, we're looking forward to seeing you in person or virtually. Some other things in addition to math and reading and the things that Miss Ellen mentioned, we also this year continue to incorporate the positive behavior intervention supports. And so each month we utilize the school themes. September we worked and talked about perseverance, and in October we'll be working on understanding. We also use part of our day this year to meet the social emotional needs in what we call circle ups that happen throughout the week with activities and instruction. We also work with 2 counselors, Mr. Duquette and Miss Paula, who support those same expectations and supports. And we also conduct daily meetings in the AM or PM to help students understand their schedules, their individual services each day. We incorporate jokes and quotes that are meaningful. We utilize students to be our weatherman for the day or weather person, and we talk about any announcements or upcoming events that are happening. So on behalf of Ellen and I, we want to say thanks for your parent support. Thank you for entrusting us to work every day with your amazing kids, and hope that every day is a learning opportunity for all of us to support what's best for each kid. Thank you.